So this is Portronics Adapto 464. Wait a minute, I am going to sit there. Yeah. So this is Portronics Adapto 464. You can say that basically it's a charger, but it is more than a normal charger. You can say that it is a smart charger. Now what are the special features? I am going to unbox it. I am going to mention some features of this charger, and also I am going to tell you that should you buy it or not. Let's start this video, but before that, hi friends, you are watching All About Tech, and without wasting your time, let's start. Okay, so this is the box. As you can see, Portronics Adapto 464 2.4 ampere charger. Okay, and talking about the features, as you can see, it comes with timer control. It has dual USB ports, which is really good, and total output is of 2.4 ampere. Now let's unbox it and let's see that how is this charger. I am using it for almost 2 days now, so I know that what are its pros and cons. I am going to mention all these things later in this video. First, let's unbox it. Okay. I have already unboxed it. So I was using this charger, and now almost 2 days are completed and I'm using this charger for almost 2 days now. This is the charger. As you can see, here is the branding of Portronics. This is the timer. As you can see, 1 2 3 4. So you can set timer for 4 hours, and after 4 hours it will switch off automatically. Now here are the two dual USB ports. These are two USB ports, and it supports charging up to 2.4 ampere, 5 volts, 2.4 ampere. There is one more variant, Portronics Adapto 469, in which you will get almost 3 ampere output. And basically, as there are two USB ports, so you can charge two devices simultaneously, no issue. Now what's more in this box? Okay, here is the QR code. I cannot show you. Yeah, you have to scan the QR code to register the warranty. Okay, and that's it. There's nothing in this box. Now let's head on to the charger. First of all, talking about the build quality, it is good for the price. Oh, I forgot to mention its price. So I have purchased this charger for rupees 374. Here is the branding of Portronics. Here is the timer, as I mentioned previously, and here is the information about this charger. 5 volt, 2.4 ampere. Now let's test it. Let's charge one phone and let's see that how is the overall charging speed. And basically there is one more feature, that it has LED light over here. I'm going to show you now. So here is the normal micro USB to USB cable, and I am going to attach this cable. Okay. So here is my phone and I am going to connect this cable. Now it's connected. Let's switch this on. Now it is not charging. It will not charge because you have to set the timer. Okay, you have to set this timer first, and after that it will start the charging. So as you can see, it is now charging. I hope it is visible. and I have set it for 1 hour, so only one LED is blinking, or you can say only one LED is glowing. You can set it for 4 hours or 2 hours or 3 hours. Now I have set it for 4 hours. Now also, as there are two USB ports, so I am going to connect my iPad. So here is my iPad. Now I am going to connect this lightning cable. I will switch this off first. Okay, I have connected the lightning cable also. Okay, now I am going to connect this lightning cable to my iPad, and again I am going to switch it on. So it will not charge because first you have to set the timer. Okay, it will not charge. First you have to set the timer. So okay, now as you can see it is charging, and also along with that my iPad is also charging. Yeah, now it's 6:45 and almost 48% of battery is charged. Now I will wait for 5 minutes. Let's see that how much percentage of battery will be charged within 5 minutes. I will remove this iPad because it is now 100% charged. So I will remove this. Basically, if you will charge two devices at a time, then charging speed will reduce, but if you will charge only one device, then you will get good charging speed. Let's wait for 5 minutes and let's see that how is the charging speed. So almost 5 minutes, or you can say 6 minutes are finished, and 52% of battery is charged. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this charger. First I'm going to start with the pros. First thing that I liked about this charger is the timer control. Now what happens that most of you guys might be charging your phone at night, and what happens that when you charge your phone at night, then you forgot to switch it off and your phone charges for almost 8 to 9 hours. It is not basically good for the health of your phone, basically for the health of the battery. So I will recommend that you should buy this charger or any charger which has timer control. What will happen that if you will set timer for 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours, then after that, after specific time, it will switch off automatically and it will be really good. Next thing that I liked about this charger is the dual USB ports. It supports output of 5 volt 2.4 ampere. In terms of output, it is good. If you will charge only one device, then it will be really good. If you will charge two devices simultaneously, then charging speed will reduce. Next thing that I liked about this charger is the glowing LED. Basically there are 4 LEDs. When you will set the timer, then that LEDs will glow. Okay, so these were the pros. Now let's talk about the cons or disadvantages. There is only one disadvantage which I have noticed, that's related to output. It supports 5 volts 2.4 ampere output, but if you want fast charging, then this option is not available. What happens that in Quick Charge 3.0 or Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, there is output of nearly 18 watts, or you can say voltage is of nearly 3.2 watts till 20 watts. So yeah, in Quick Charge 3.0 you will get really good output, and if you want fast charging, then I will not recommend this charger because it can charge fast, but it is not like Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. And Yeah, this is one disadvantage which I have noticed. Now let's come to conclusion that if you should buy this charger or not. First of all, if you want timer control, if you charge your phone at night, then this charger will be really good for you. Or you can purchase any charger which has timer control, and also there are two USB ports, so you can charge two devices simultaneously, no issue. But if you will charge two devices simultaneously, then charging speed will reduce. You should consider this point. And next thing is that there are LED lights. So if you want LED lights, then you can purchase this charger. Basically these three things are really good in this charger: timer control, dual USB ports, and LED lights. And yeah, you can purchase this charger, but again I'm going to tell you that if you want really fast charging, then don't purchase this charger. If you will calculate the overall output, means 5 volts into 2.4 ampere, means 5 volts into 2.4, that's equal to 12 volts. So there is nearly 12 volts of output, and in Portronics Adapto 469 there is output of 5 volts 3 ampere, that means nearly 15 volts. So yeah, now you should consider that if you want this charger, or if you want Portronics Adapto 469, or if you want Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 certified charger. So that's it. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video, and follow me on Instagram. Instagram ID is Saumin_80. Subscribe to All About Tech. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.